All rugs are washed with fresh filtered water. We use environmental friendly detergents with a very delicate pH balance that is ideal for that particular rug. And we make adjustments along the way. Each rug is tested for color facets just to make sure that we don't encounter any sort of problems when processing the cleaning. If we notice that the odor has been eliminated, however, the stain has remained slightly, didn't come out in the cleaning, and has no intention of moving off of that fabric, we do offer a color correction service or a stain removal service. Before that happens, we will have a full conversation with our customers and let them know exactly what to expect and the charge. If all parties are in agreement, then we can proceed.
It's time to love your rug.